Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Pinterest if it's not working. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, I'm on my iPhone. You can go through the same steps on Android as well. The first step is to go into a web browser here, and we're going to type in speed test and hit run speed test. You want to make sure that you have a good and stable internet connection. A lot of times, if just your internet is spotty, it will cause Pinterest to not work properly. If it's anything faster than, say, 5 megabytes per second, you should be good to go. If it's not, you can always switch from Wi-Fi over to cell data or vice versa. Now, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to type in, is Pinterest down? And go to down detector here. So what you're looking for is a huge spike in reported outages. If you do see a big spike, then basically that is the reason. You just need to wait until the server gets back up and running, and then that will fix the issues. Now, if this isn't the issue, the next step is let's hop into the Pinterest app itself. We're going to tap on your profile at the bottom right, and then the gear icon at the top right. And now on here, you can see privacy and data at the very bottom. And if you go to the very bottom, what we're going to do is clear the app cache. A lot of times this fixes any kind of bugs or glitches in there just by clearing that. So I can tap it and you can see at the very top that it has been cleared. Now go through all these steps, basically go out of that app, see if it's working again. If it's still not working, the last step is to hop into your settings. We'll scroll down, tap on general, and then iPhone storage. Basically what we're going to do is look for that Pinterest app. So let's scroll down and hit show all and just look for the app. There it is. We're going to offload the app. Essentially what this does is it removes the core app files and hit reinstall, and it'll reinstall a fresh new copy of that app onto your phone. If you're on Android, all you have to do is just delete the app and then reinstall the app. After you go through that step, you should be able to open it up and it should work normally. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.